Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can use your smartphone to invite students using invite ring. So Google Classroom has updated its platform. Now you can invite students, and if you want, even your co-teachers to join your class just using an invite link. Previously, we were just using only one way. It was only to send class codes. But right now, you can either invite students and your co-teachers using an invite a class code or an invite link. Now, about how to share the class code, I have already discussed it in previous videos. So today I will concentrate on how you can invite the students, and if you want also your co-teachers to join your class just by sending an invite link. Now there are two ways that you can access that invite link that you will be able to share to your students or to your co-teachers that you want to join your class that you have to invite. But let me start with this one. The simplest way is to click this here, written people. So if I click here, people, as you can see here, there is a place written students. So if I click this plus button here, students, so I'll be prompted to invite. So you can, now the class invite link has already been created. I can either copy the link, I've already copied the link, or even click here, share, then I'll be prompted to share direct, as you can see it here. So if you want to copy, just click copy the link, as you can see, copied invite link. So you can send via SMS, you can send via WhatsApp, you can send them via Viber, WeChat, and so forth and so forth. Whatever platform that you choose, or via email or whatever, it's also possible. Now, another way to access this link is to click, to go back to click this gear icon, this one. If you click that gear icon, just scroll down there, you'll find an invite link here. There is an invite link here, as you can see it here. So click this share button, here. If you click that share button, you can be prompted to share to different platforms. You can use SMS, you can use WhatsApp, you can use email or whatever. So that's the simplest way that you can use to share the invite link and to help your learners or your students and your co-teachers to join the Google Classroom that we have created. Friend, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share to others so that can learn the updated version of Google Classroom. Thank you.